Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number B9923B. 58,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blu-ray metallic in color. Cruze seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. The wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.